I'm here to talk about my 5 favorite drugstore face washes, which have great performance but at the same time they do not burn a hole in your pocket. Starting off with the first face wash, it's the Neutrogena Deep Clean Facial Cleanser. This has been my favorite and go-to face wash for years now. In fact, last year when I updated my summer skincare daytime routine, I think I had mentioned about this one to you guys. This bottle comes for 350 rupees, but trust me, it lasts for a really long time. Because it's a gel-based cleanser and you require very little amount of it. It clears up all the dirt, all the pollution, and even removes traces of makeup. So this has to be my number 1 face wash for summer. Now the second face wash is the Dove face wash, and this is the Go Fresh face wash. This tube is for 105 rupees and it has like I think 50 grams of the product. Again, it's a cream based cleanser, so a very teeny amount is required to cover up your entire face. It lathers really well, so people who have this obsession with face washes that lather well, this has to be a good option for you. This has extracts of orange and mandarin, so it has a very summery orangey tangy smell which really peps you up. It cleanses the face really well, so that's one plus point. It never broke me out so far. I have used it for like 2 to 3 months and I never experienced any like oil feeling after washing the face, and at the same time it doesn't strip off the natural moisture, so you just require a mild moisturizer post using it. So this is my second favorite face wash. Now the third face wash that I'm talking about is the Lotus Herbals White Glow Active Skin Whitening Oil Control Face Wash. Now I had never tried this before, but since 2-3 weeks I tried it because I really ended up tanning myself a lot due to like traveling in hot sun, traveling a lot in train, and this really helps. It's a clear gel based face wash. It has extracts of green tea, bearberry and other active ingredients like milk enzymes, mulberry and grape extracts. It's really good for your skin. It does help in removing tan to a certain extent, but do not expect a lot of change overnight. This comes for actually 120 rupees for 20 grams or for 50 grams, but they had this save 21 rupees thing going on, so I got this for 99 rupees. It's a great face wash. It's gonna suit you if you have oily to combination skin. It has not broken me out so far. Now my fourth face wash that I'm talking about is the Nivea Refreshing Face Wash. This one is brilliant. I mean, I got this for 50 ml for like 80 rupees. And again, it's a gel based face wash, very clear, very sparkly blue in color, transparent obviously, but one thing that I did not like about this face wash is it did like sting me after washing my face. I don't know what that really meant. It was not harsh, it never broke me out. It controlled oil to a large extent, but I couldn't understand the fact that it could like burn my skin and sting. But still, because of the menthol extract, I feel that is, but really gives you fresh feeling. And if you are on a budget and if you really want to try a good face wash, you know, which is like not very heavy on your pocket, then try the Nivea Refreshing Face Wash. Now the last face wash, which has been favorite for years and I think many of you have even used it, is the Lakme Clean Up Face Washes. This one is clear pores with green tea extract. This particular one I had mentioned in my last year's summer skincare routine post, but I somehow feel the Nourishing Glow face wash, which comes in a red tube, is much better for summers, but that's again your preference. If you like this more, you can go with this one, but I had to mention the Lakme cleanup range because I think it's very economical. This one is like 115 rupees for 50 grams again, and this particular one, the Clear Pore face wash, really helped in giving me a very clean and squeaky feeling. So like after coming back home from work when there's a lot of pollution, you have been out in the sun for quite some long time, it's really a good option. So these were my 5 favorite face washes. Obviously drugstore, which like I have used for years now, and I thought it's a great time to share with you guys. Hope you like this post and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.